Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the wave stitch pattern. So to start out, we want to do 16 chains, and this pattern is multiples of 16. So if you want to make it bigger, just keep adding multiples of 16 to your project. So you will need to know how to do a double crochet, a half treble crochet, a treble crochet, and a double treble crochet. If you need help with that, look down in the description. I have links on how to do all those stitches. So we have our 16 chains, and what we want to do is we want to chain 1, and we will be doing multiples of 2, 2, 2, and 4. So right now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to do 2 double crochets, 1, 2, 2 half treble crochets, so 1, 2, 2 treble crochets, 1, 2, and then we'll be doing 4 double treble crochets. So this pattern ends up really being kind of like a step ladder, to where you build up to a certain level and then you build back down, and we'll see how it turns out. So here we are at the last double treble crochet, I think. Unless I can't count. I can't count. This one's the last double treble crochet. My apologies. All right, so now we will do 2 treble crochets, 2 half treble crochets, and then I seem to have gotten a little excited and tried to do another half treble crochet, but don't follow that part. What you actually want to do is do 2 double crochets. See, here I realized I was doing it wrong. So 2 double crochets, so 1, 2, and now you can see how it's getting its nice little hill pattern. So to level it out, we will turn our work and we will chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will do 2 double treble crochets. So 1, 2, 2 treble crochets, 1, 2, 2 half treble crochets, 1, 2, and then 4 double crochets. And you can kind of see how it sticks with the 2, 2, 2, 4 method. So now we will do 2 half treble crochets, 2 treble crochets, and 2 double treble crochets. And you'll just repeat row 1 and 2 until you've reached your desired size for your project. So I'm just going to do one more row to kind of show you how the pattern really looks, because it's kind of hard to see. It's one of those that once you build it up, it starts looking better. So I'm just chaining 1 and then doing 2 double crochets, then 2 half treble crochets, and exactly the same way as row 1. So here we are with our 4 double treble, and now we're just moving back down. We got our last double crochet, and now you can really see how it's looking. This project would be great with multiple colors. If you found this project helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really do hope you have a happy crochet day.